favourite bridge. This is Ponte Sant'Angelo, and I'm here to find a kiss, a holy kiss. These are scammers. They say, oh, have a photo, and then it's like €50. Anyway, the kiss is over there. Okay, that's obviously St. Peter's Basilica down there. I'm here for a kiss, a holy kiss. Santa Caterina de Siena, the statue right there. And if you get the right angle, which I think by the looks of it, there's a fair few people know about that. If you take the photo at the right angle, down there, it looks like that statue, Santa Caterina, is kissing St. Peter's the Basilica. Now I just got to work out how the hell I get up there. Right, I think I worked out how. It's not dignified at all. It's the only way getting up here. Now then. What I will do, I think I will post a photo when I've taken it, but there's too many people here. Kiss achieved. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Now I'm trying to break my neck getting down here. About 2,000 of these in Rome. I think I mentioned last time about possibly doing a video of finding all 2,000 of them. I think somehow that's going to be an impossibility. But it's clean, fresh water, and you can do that. So there's a little hole in every one of them, so you can direct it up, get a shot of water. Cheers! Alright, now going over the river Tiber into Trastevere district, or Trastevere, sorry, alternative pronunciations and mispronunciations will be had in this video. Now we're going to the broken bridge, which is right there. Never-ending supply of hat sellers here. I've not seen the bracelet scandal yet, where you just go, hi, here, have a bracelet, and then they chase you for money afterwards. So this bridge is called, the official name of it is the Pons Aemilius, colloquially known as the Broken Bridge. It is the oldest bridge in Rome, built in 2 BC. Although, that said, there's not much of it left. Let's see the existing span. So this is Tiber Island. It's not obviously not very big. It stretches from there to about here, in the middle of the river Tiber. you could go down those steps. Here is Pons Aemilius. This is as close as you're going to get to it. You can see it went there, so the new bridge obviously had to bypass this existing bit. I suppose that's what you call progress. Having this, for the British, it's a Victorian era bridge, when actually they did have something like this, miles more impressive, but sadly, you know, the Italians got this instead. Right, whether or not I go down there, I may give you a shot from down there. We'll see. Couldn't resist, could I? Now that I'm here, there's probably not a lot of people come down this far, he says. It's a bit like the banks of the Seine. You know, you've got this great big vast expanse right next to the river. It's the might of the river Tiber. And here it is. Here's what remains of Pons Aemilius. So it failed on both sides. Failed on that side, failed on this side. Back, as I say, in antiquity. They did shore it up, but I don't think it lasted to a point in the 19th century where they pulled most of it down, leaving this span here, and then they built this instead, which is really rubbish compared to what they did have. These days that would probably be reconstructed, but yeah, impressive what's still here.